Hello guys, this is Deboville. So guys, if you have this prophetic coin called ETN, guys, you can store your ETN on Zypto wallet. Zypto, Zypto wallet. So guys, in this video, I'm going to transfer my ETN from Gate.io crypto exchange to my Zypto wallet. You copy your receive address, you go to gate.io. So guys, this is gate.io crypto exchange. I'm going to transfer some ETN to my Zypto wallet. Click on withdraw. You click on confirm. You type your fund password. You go to your email to get the code. So guys, you go to your email to get the withdrawal code. You copy. You go back to gate.io to paste your withdrawal code. So guys, you copy your Google authenticator code for gate.io exchange. You click on confirm. So guys, if you are interested in this prophetic coin, Electroneum is one of the utility coins you should have in your portfolio. So guys, if you are new to this project, or if you are interested in buying this project, the current price of Electroneum is 0.001531 US dollars, and ETN is up 1.85%. So guys, this coin is very cheap at the moment. I'm going to buy more when I have spare money. So guys, you can buy this coin on gate.io, KuCoin, Maxi, HTX, Bitmat, and other listed crypto exchange if you have CoinGecko or Coin Market app. After clicking on confirm on gate.io crypto exchange, you go back to your Zypto wallet to confirm if your ETN coin is stored in your wallet. So guys, my ETN coin is stored in my wallet. Conduct your research before you use Zypto wallet. So guys, if you have spare money, you can buy this prophetic coin. Share this message real quick about Xpin. I had a dream recently where I saw my Xpin account grew up to $308, and I withdrew, and a few days later a friend called me to tell me I made a mistake because the amount shot up to 30,000 US dollars. The pump is near. Let's keep holding. So guys, this brother is saying he saw his Xpin coin blast off to 308 US dollars. After selling his Xpin tokens or coins, Xpin blast off to 30,000 US dollars. So guys, if you are holding this coin, you have to make good decision. Be careful how you make your investment decisions. So guys, if you have spare money, you can buy Xpin. You can buy Cryptcoin. You can buy WikiCat coin. Don't forget to buy ETN. You can buy BNB frog. This is not a financial advice. Make good decisions and pray for your investment when you pray. Like, share, comment.